So that's the sine of 90. And we can draw a unit circle, or we can use our handy dandy little chart. If you have that, what's the sine of 90?
1.
Yeah. This is unit circle. And it's the y-coordinate, and it is 1. So on part D, what would this one be? Sine of what? Yeah, minus 50 this time. So it's a sine of 240. And if you use your handy dandy chart, what's the sine of 240? Oh, you guys think, okay, let's do it the long way. Sine of 240. 240 goes here. This is 60 degrees past 180. So it's a 30, 60, 90 triangle. Across from the 60 is negative square root of 3. Across from the 30 is negative 1. And the hypotenuse, is 2. So we're looking for the sine. What would the sine be?
Negative square root of 3 over 2.
Yep. So you can put that in your chart now. Good deal. All right. Cosine sum and difference identities. There they are. They're on your sheet. They look a little bit different than the sine sum and difference. For the sine ones, we had it mixed up the sine and the cosine. For the cosine ones, all the cosines are together and all the sines are together, and it's reversed. Notice the one that has cosine of A plus B is actually subtraction. Now again, you're not going to have to memorize these. I will give you these formulas. And you can use that chart to get it filled out. All right, so we're going to use, it says use the calculator. No, we're not going to do that. Use the sum and difference identity from above to find the exact value of the expression, then use the calculator. No, I don't want to use the calculator. All right, so we have cosine of pi over 6 plus pi over 2. So here's A, oops, just kidding. Here's A, and here's B. So we're going to use that green one up there because it's plus. So we're just going to plug in pi over 6 and pi over 2 for A and B into the cosine formula. So that's the cosine of pi over 6 times the cosine of pi over 2 minus the sine of pi over 6 times the sine of pi over 2. Now, again, super advantage to having this trig chart filled out. If you don't have the trig chart filled out, you're going to have to change all of those to degrees. And then you're going to have to turn around and draw whether, cosine of pi over 6 is 30 degrees. So you have to do the cosine of 30 and so on. So using your chart, if you have it filled out, look down, find pi over 6. What's the cosine of pi over 6? Cameron, you're the only one that has it filled out.
Square root of 3 over 2.
Square root of 3 over 2. Cosine of pi over 2? Oh, yeah, Berkeley's got that one. 0.
Yeah.
Do you have sine of pi over 6? Okay, what was that?
1/2.
And sine of pi over 2?
1.
Good. So it's 0 minus 1/2, which is negative 1/2. Okay, so as a group, y'all do this next one.
Mm-hmm.